Hello, welcome back to Cesim Global Challenge 2024-2025, the top 10 winning tips. This winning tip number 5, the production, I show you now. So you can check the other video for the winning tips number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can check the other winning tips for financial statement, for market report, for market outlook, for demands, and now we get tips for production. And for production, we need to look at the demand first to make sure we calculate the right demand, and then demand calculation and affect the production immediately. So demand very important. We look at this, you can see that take 1 and take 2 is okay in the Asia. USA is okay. USA is okay, but in the Asia, take 2 and take 3 different, right? So we can start selling take 3 because most of the company selling take 2 very strong competition. So we can shift to take 3 here. And in the Europe market, you see the take 4 growing up very fast, so we can start the production of take 4 here, right? Take 4 here, right? So that's the first thing. So we need to calculate take 1 here, 1,000. You see that 1,000 to 3,000, and then maybe 4,000, right? 4,000 for take 1, 4,000 for take 1. We need also to check the inventory here, right? Inventory to start to calculate. So 4,000 for take 1 here, right? We see that 4,000 for take 1. So this can be 55, 4,000 for take 1. Okay, 55. And now we calculate for take 2, we have 1,800, 1,200 for take 2. For take 3, we have 1,900, and for take 4, we have 1,700. We need to check if we can produce that. For take 4, it's easy, right? We can start production of take 4 here, right? 1,394, take 4 is okay. And for take 2, we need 1,200 only, so maybe 20 is enough for take 2, right? Take 2. But we also need take 3, 1,900. So for example, we reach 100% here. That's for take 3. In this case, we can adjust a little bit to change, but we need to produce take 1 around 4,000, take 2 around 1,200, 1,200 only, so we can reduce this maybe 1,200, 1,200. For take 2 and take 3, we can produce max in this case 1,600, 1,600, and then 1,300. 300 for that, so we can adjust in the demand. We can adjust in the demand. For take 1, 1,000 is okay here, right? And okay, we can reach more if you want, 1,000. And then we have 2,007, and then we get here 1,000. Total is 4,600, 4,800, 4,000, 3,007, 4,800. 4,800 for take 1, and take 2 we have 1,200 is okay. Take 3 we can produce 1,006, so we can reduce that 1,600. And take 4 we can produce 1,300, 1,300. We can adjust production again, so 4,800. So this can be 60,800, 4,800. Okay, 63. We also need to consider the production. So that's an overview for winning tip number 5. Winning tip number 5, check the production. If you have any question, you send the email to Cesim Round 2020, and get the free support for round 1 and round 2. Get the free support for round 1 and round 2. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.